Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid. Today I'm going to show you how to reboot the IQ Panel 2. Now you may have to reboot the IQ Panel 2 because you're pushing down a firmware update or you're troubleshooting, there's something wrong with the panel, and sometimes just giving it a quick little kick can fix the problem. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to press this gray button right here, then you're going to go to Settings, Advanced Settings, and now you can enter your master code, you can enter your installer code, your dealer code. The default master code is 1234. The default installer code is 1111, and the default dealer code is 2222. You can use any of those. I'm going to do the master code today. That's 1234. And then you're going to press Panel Reboot. It's going to ask you, do you want to reboot the panel? You're going to press OK. And then it's going to start powering down. You're just going to wait a few moments, and basically it's just going to power down, and it's going to go back up, and then the reboot will be complete. There's another way you can do this as well. I'm going to show you that in a second. You would do the same process, but instead of doing panel reboot, you would do power down the system, and then you would just power it back on by pressing the side button, which is on the right side right here. And you'll see that the green light's coming on. That means the system's rebooting. It just takes a few moments to complete, and once it's back up, the reboot will be complete, and everything will be good on that. You'll see the Qolsys logo right there. And just bear with me for a second here. It's going through. Once you get back up, it'll reconnect to any Wi-Fi network or any cellular network that was on. It'll all be done automatically as long as you have your settings correct. So it'll all go through, and you'll get back right to the main screen where you can arm and disarm and do everything. So here's how you would do it if you wanted to do it the manual way. No Wi-Fi access, that'll come back on in a second. It just takes a moment during the process. And this time I'll show you through the installer code. That's 1111. And you would do power down. It'll ask you, do you want to shut down? You say OK. And then it powers down. And then once it's powered down, you can reboot by pressing the side button right here. You just hold it down for a few seconds. It'll be green. I'll show you that right here. Just give it a few seconds. It'll be red at first. And then once you let go, it should start powering up. Just make sure you hold it down for a few seconds, because otherwise it'll just kind of flash and not really do anything. So that's how you reboot the IQ Panel 2. If you have any questions, you can give us a call during our normal business hours at 888-818-7728. Our normal business hours are 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Or you can shoot us an email. That's support@alarmgrid.com. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.